What's up, everybody? Manuela Vincent here, back with another video. And before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that red subscribe button below somewhere there, and also hit that notification bell. That way you know when I do drop another video. Okay? So it's been a minute, guys, but today I want to talk about something that's very important. If you are a business owner, you definitely need leads. That without leads, you're not going to get anybody basically to look at anything you have to offer. It's definitely vital to the success of any business. And so today what I'm going to talk about is from two sides, basically two points of view with this system. And I've been with this system for about almost 2 years now, since they've came into existence. It's not a company, just to clarify, but what it is a system that we promote to basically sell leads to sell leads to people that need leads, people like you, people like me. If you're in the business niche, whether that's brick and mortar business, whether that is a affiliate marketing, digital marketing, if you have a tangible product, you need leads. Okay, so what we do in this particular business model is we basically provide people, it's very simple. We provide a number for people to call. Okay, it's a generic number that anyone can call, and it's a pre-recorded message that basically then leads that person to follow some instructions, meaning it goes directly to your website. I will show you that in a minute, but just to give you an idea of how simple this system is, it's called automated income system, and it's very simplistic. Again, as in we just send people to a number. It does the basically telling and selling for us. Okay, and it really is that simple. Okay, guys. So if you don't really like talking on the phone a lot, if you're uncomfortable with that and you just don't have the time, I'm in multiple things. I'm going to have a system in place which is automated, that is going to do all that telling and selling for me. And that's the beauty of what I do. So with this system, it's really great for new people who are, kind of new to the online marketing space for businesses. Okay. So alongside with that, if all you want to do is kind of get people to maybe another business opportunity you have. Again, whether it's a tangible product you're selling, anything like that, you need leads, and it's hard to find leads. It's hard to find leads if you don't know the right places to look. Of course, we have free traffic that gets you free leads, but also the quickest way to get there is, like I always say, is with paid traffic. Okay, so this is a different method that we're using, and what it is basically, again, if I haven't already said it, it's lead packages. So again, it's not a company, it's a system that's included when you do purchase a lead package. You get this free system, and so it helps you to basically try to basically, again, get people to the message. It does the follow-up for you. There's already created follow-up messages in the back of it, and capture pages are included. So it's kind of like a one-stop shop. If you don't have time to like build out your own capture pages to get people to your offer or whatever you're marketing, this kind of does everything in one place. Okay, and that's what I like about it. So again, guys, it is a lead package system. Okay, where there's multiple different levels of leads that your consumer, you, me, can purchase. Okay, and when you purchase at any of those individual levels, that's going to determine how many leads you get. Now, these leads are people that have already been surveyed. For example, you're not cold calling anybody. That's already been done on the back end before you even get these packages. That's already been done, so you're not wasting time. And I've if you're like me, I don't want to sit there and call a ton of numbers only to be like, okay, click, I'm not interested. Where'd you get my number from? This, that. These people have already been surveyed, freshly surveyed, so they know that what you're offering is going to be a business opportunity. So who here doesn't want that? You know what I mean? So think about it. So this kind of saves you time in that aspect as well. So I'm going to show you in a minute like what the prices are for each package. Again, I'm very transparent with anything I'm offering you guys. If you know me, if you've seen my YouTube channel, I'm all about, providing business tools. I want you to be successful. If there's an easier way to do it, come on, why wouldn't I show you that? I love automation, and that's kind of what this system offers you. So you're not paying for this system, you're paying for leads, okay? So if and on the other side of that, if you want to make this your business, you can also do that by referring other people to that number so that they can then purchase a lead software package. Okay, that's all it is to it. So let's go ahead and let me just show you before we get into the back office of it. But basically, it's called Share the Number Automated System. Basically, I'm going to show you this as well. I'm going to take you to the capture page that is already included, which is awesome. Again, you don't have to worry about capture pages. If you're not a guru with capture pages, you don't have software to build capture pages, don't worry about it because it's all in the back office within the system. So this is my you can even change your capture pages when you're in there. You don't have to, you can just, there's a variety of different capture pages in there that you can choose from. You don't have to stick with whatever, the first one that pops up. So let me go here real quick. Hopefully it'll refresh in just a minute. But if you don't know what a capture page is, not a problem. Basically, it's where someone will come to a link of yours. In this case, my link that I usually, or my website I send out is paidlikemanuela.com. I'm an affiliate marketer, so that's the link that I send out for this offer. And when they go on there, what's going to pop up once it does load is like a couple of boxes. One being, a field for someone to enter their name perhaps, and then an email address, a best email address. So once they go in there and do that, then I'm going to now have a new lead. And this system is going to do the follow-up, explaining to them basically what this is all about. And if they decide not to purchase on day one, which is typical, usually takes people 7 times of seeing something before they do take action on it. So, but the point is you'll have a new lead. And whether that be a lead for this particular system or a lead for anything else you're marketing, you now have that for life. Okay, that's your new lead. So you have a new lead, and you're going to be able to purchase a lead package to send out, again, either everything about this particular system for other people to now purchase, or any other business opportunity you have or product. Okay, so here it is. This is the capture page that I was talking about. So this is already built into the back office. This is the one I selected. It says earn 3,000 plus a day just by sharing a phone number and entering, your name and your email address. Let me in. No selling or talking. That's the simplicity of the system, guys. It's automated, and that's the great thing about it. You're sending people to this. Once they go ahead and put their email address and their name, they're going to be prompted to come to this page. And this is where it gets great, because the selling and telling, again, if you don't like talking on the phone, this is where this video they'll click on this, and I'm not going to play it here, but it's going to talk about what is Share the Number and the simplicity of the system. Okay, so everyone, you included, when you get to a lead, when you join and purchase a lead package, you're going to use the same number to market this to. You use this, and then you are going to get a specific personal promo code that you're allowed to market. So when they come and listen to this number, it's going to basically say, okay, go here to this website and be sure to enter this promo code. For instance, my promo code is Manuela Vincent. Your promo code will be something else, but they're going to be prompted to follow instructions. If they don't follow instructions, guys, they're obviously not interested. And that's the beauty of this system. I'm not having to worry about talking to anybody, telling them this, explaining the whole thing. This does it for us, okay? So guys, you keep going down. Again, it's talking about, no telling, no selling, no talking. The system does everything like I just mentioned to you. Now, what are you selling? What is the system selling, guys? Again, like I reiterated several times in the beginning of this video, lead packages. Again, it's going to go here, and they're going to click on this, and it's going to talk about the packages. I'm not going to play that in this video because I want you guys to go into my link, which will be in the description below, where you're going to go ahead and you're going to put your best email address again, name, so you can get to this video, take action, watch the videos, and decide if this is the right opportunity for you. So here are the package, guys. The packages, the cheapest package we have is the silver package. I'm going to go through these really quickly. 30,000 leads. Again, these are already surveyed leads. Okay, they're already knowing that you're trying to market a business opportunity to them, etc. You're going to get this system for free. It's included. Okay, and if you want to take it a step further, that's up to you whether you want to refer it to other people to monetize. In this case, you're going to earn up to $180 per direct and indirect sales. So what does that mean? Every time you refer, if you decide to do so, making this another stream of income, you'll market this to other people. You'll get $180 when someone else comes in and buys a package, right? For this, so if they come in and get this particular silver package, you're going to get $180 per direct and indirect sales, meaning other people under that person that they're going to get sales, you'll get some of their money from their sales. Is how it works. If you're familiar with residuals, that's pretty much how this is. It's the same way. If someone comes and gets a gold, okay, you're going to get, if you come in and purchase a gold, you're going to get 60,000 leads, and you get the system. You now have the opportunity to earn $450 for people coming in. You're going to earn off of this plus this. So you understand where I'm coming from. You're going to capitalize off of this. Again, it's the same concept per direct and indirect sales. And guys, these are the prices. When I show you the prices of the lead packages, this is what you're going to get. If you come in, buy the silver, you got to pay $297, okay? If you come in and you get the gold, you're going to pay $597, okay? If you come in and buy the diamond, okay, you're going to get 150,000 leads with this. You're going to pay $1497, earn up to $1,300 if you decide to do so, becoming an affiliate of this program. Now, you don't have to, but it would make smart sense if you know other people and you can refer them to it. It makes sense. It's business sense, and it's a brilliant idea to have another stream of income coming in, okay? Double diamond, you pay $1997 and you get 200,000 leads to market to. And now at this point, you have the potential to earn up to $1,700. Now, the largest package we have is the 350,000 leads, which is the Royal Diamond, which costs you $3,497. And you have the potential to earn at our highest, okay, is the $3,000, okay? And that is the maximum income level here, guys, okay? You're really topping it off at that one. So let's say you come in at silver and because you don't want to pay $597, that's fine. You can always upgrade later if you wish to get more leads or you wish to make more income. Completely up to you. But guys, there you have it. Those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of packages that we offer. Again, guys, it's straightforward. You're paying for lead packages. That's it. Straightforward, simple. What you're going to do if you want to monetize off of that, like I just said, I am an affiliate of this system. So of course, if you come in and purchase a package, I'm going to get an affiliate commission from that. Okay, you guys know me. This is my business. I have several businesses. I'm an affiliate marketer. Whenever I refer others to it, I get paid. And that's the concept with this same system. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to with this. Okay, you just want to if you want to just get your packages and that's it and just keep upgrading, okay? But if you're a business-minded person, obviously you're going to take advantage of the monetization of the system. All right, so all you're going to do is once you decide to choose your package, whichever one you want to do, once you watch these two videos, guys, you're going to watch the first video there, the second video here about the lead packages, okay? Very straightforward. You're going to come down here and you're going to click to get started, okay? And from there, it's going to ask you for some personal information, your name, your address, etc. And then, which package you're going to pick, all right? If you want to learn more information, this is a quick little video also on the lead packages, how it works, cash rewards, earn up to 3,000. There's a lot of information on here. But you go down further, there's some testimonials on the page. Check those out. Definitely do your research. Check out I've done previous videos on automated income system within my YouTube channel. Those are before the newly upgraded. We've taken away some packages. We've changed the system. Much better way to monetize now on this system. But all you're going to do, guys, again, is just go ahead and click to get started. And like I said, you're just going to enter some personal information. You're going to join. Basically, you're a joiner. So you're going to join. You're going to pick a package, and you're going to get emailed everything you need to start to get your your leads that you just purchased. You're going to get an email. So make sure you check your spam folder, your junk folder, any of that stuff. So this is very simple. All you're going to do is just come here, like I said, and put your information in. You're going to go down here and you're going to pick your membership level, right? My system's a little slow, excuse me, guys. Yeah, so you're just going to go here, put in your information that you want, the package you want to join, and then click continue. We also do have a Facebook group, so it's support there as well. Make sure you click this. So I'm your sponsor when you come in, and then you would click the agree button after you fill out all this initial stuff. What country, and this is international, so it's not limited. If you're seeing this video and you're not from the US, doesn't matter. You're just going to simply click that United States or whatever country you're in, click the button. You'll create your own password so you'll know how to get back in the system, and you're going to click join. Very simple. But again, like I said, once you do join, I will get an email anyway, and I'll go ahead and just add you to the Facebook group, but that is here as an option. You have all the support you need. Everything is in here. You have me as your sponsor that, if you have questions, concerns, I'll be there for you as well. And that's pretty much it, guys, in a big nutshell there. I tried to sum it up as much as I could within about 16 minutes. If you guys have any questions about this, any concerns, definitely go ahead and leave me a message below. Again, guys, if you're looking for, just something you want just the leads, that's fine. You have that option, or you can take it a step further, and you'll be able to monetize, and you'll be able to have basically the back office. Okay, guys. In the next video, I will go over more of the back office and what's included. So definitely look out for that video. And I will see you on the next video, guys. Have a great day.